weird. I felt it too.
So.
Let's
see, it has so much torque. I mean, it's really pushing over here now.
Yeah.
Have you ever been in this car?
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Race car can stay on the gas right there.
Yeah.
It's close in this car.
Oh, that was really good.
See, we're shooting for 130, 143.
143, let's do it.
Let's see.
That is perfect, Mark. Look at that.
Oh, yeah,
you're in great time, great time.
Yeah.
All right, brake late.
Yeah, it's got so much. The grip, I mean, the brakes are so good. Wow, 97 in there. Ay, ay, ay.
Keep going, you're good.
Passenger restraint.
Yeah,
the seatbelt did it tighten you up too? It's an intervention.
That's great.
Oh, that's good.
Keep push.
See, that's mostly on. Yeah, that's quick. Wow, 119. That's fast.
That is quick.
120 was the race car.
142. Holy shit.
Okay. Well, that was a lot of work for just. Oh shit. Radical's
Radical's behind.
Oh shit. Yeah. Sorry. Look, I didn't see him. Yeah.
I didn't see him until last second too.
Well, look at where he goes.
I mean, he's just that much lighter, and he just...
Yeah. Let's see if we can keep up with him. Well, since he caught up to me, that's probably a no.
Yeah.
All right, I've had enough fun. Oh, look. Wow, look at that. He went up here. Did you see that?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he was pushing it, too. He saw me. All right, yeah, let's get some air in here.
Woo! That was an amazing lap, Mark. 142.9.
Oh, okay. Well, that's pretty good.
That's good.
That's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna go in.
Yeah.
The tires are they're actually at a good temperature, but I don't really feel like it. Well, should we?
It's up to you. It's completely up to you,
Well,
Mark.
let's try it. That guy hopefully won't catch up to us again. So I always feel bad when people catch up to me, but I was slowing down, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just try it again. See if the temperature. Oh well, a lot of grip with hotter tires.
think it's a Daytona. No, it's not. It's a Shelby of some kind. Yeah. I don't know. It was weird looking.
Yeah. Well, there goes that lap.
Yeah.
Okay, well, keep pushing. Yeah, I'm not going to keep pushing, man. Can't you tell? I'm done. All right. Well, let's see. Okay. Well, we might, I'm sorry, but this might be it for us. Let's do one more lap.
Sounds good.
But yeah, 119 in here was pretty good. That's quick. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the lap. Okay, accelerate and